In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily enable or disable Siri suggestions on Safari homepage. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Safari web browser. If it starts with some website opened, first off you need to head over to Safari's homepage. To do that, tap Add that button and then tap Add Plus. You will be taken to the home page where you need to scroll down to the very bottom until you find that Edit button. That's where we can customize our Safari homepage, and that's where we can easily find Siri suggestions. All we have to do in order to turn it off is just toggle off that switcher. That's how we can enable and disable Siri suggestions on Safari start page. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.